Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know.
Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to the channel. In this video, I'll be talking about my Burberry. It is a new fragrance to me, blush, by Burberry blush that I got. I'll talk about how I got it, why I like it, how I wear it, and more. So make sure you keep watching. Thank you so much for coming to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, thank you so much for coming back. We want you to be a part of the crew. So this is what you need to do. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell, that way you'll be first to know when I post a new video or go live. Like this video if you like this video, so I know to make more like it. And we are so excited to hopefully have you keep coming back and joining us as we make videos about fragrance, beauty, tech, hair, nails, all the different things. We want you to be a part of the conversation here. So my Burberry blush is a really pretty, fruity, light smelling fragrance. It is feminine, it is girly, it's like a bouquet but elevated, like a fancy bouquet, like pure, I don't know, just happiness, springtime. This is like a quintessential scent. If somebody's made you smell it and they're like, what season is that? You'd be like, springtime. Springtime after May flowers after April showers. That's exactly what this smells like. It is really strong. It only takes 1 or 2 sprays, 4 or 5, and you will clear a room, baby. So if you are a fan of like Chanel fragrance strength, that is what this is giving. It is very, very potent, and it smells absolutely beautiful. I found on myself, I put it on like my little, you know, sensual points, and I think it smells so good. I got this fragrance as I bought the Sephora fragrance sampler years ago. Actually, no, I didn't buy it. I got it as a gift, and I had the receipt for redeem a full size, and I never did it for like years. And I took it and I went and got my fragrance. So it was so old that some of the fragrances that were sold on there were not even on the list anymore, but I got this one and I really, really like it. It smells so good. Let me do a little spray. Yeah, so at first it does have a little alcohol-y smell when it first goes on, but then it dries down to this beautiful floral fragrance that is strong, aromatic, and definitely is kind of like a relaxing experience. If you are familiar with the Bath and Body Works like stress relief stuff, imagine if there was a floral stress relief that didn't have like that eucalyptus minty smell, like a springtime stress relief. That is what this smells like. It is so good. It is a really fine, refined smell. It's very distinctive. I always get compliments on it. It is easily becoming one of my favorite spring fragrances. So I'm trying to go through it sparingly because I do have a lot of fragrances. So I don't want to have a perfume graveyard. So I'm trying to make sure I wear all of them evenly. So I am trying to move a little slower with this one. But it is such a cute little bottle. Isn't that adorable? So what size is this one? This is the 1 fluid ounce. So perfect little size even for your pocketbook, but it is weighty. So you see that the well inside, and then how it has all that glass lip at the bottom. This thing is heavy. If you got hit with this, it would definitely do some damage, okay? But this is an amazing fragrance. I absolutely love it. It's one of my new favorites, and I'll be wearing it all spring. Summertime, I don't want to be seasoning myself for the mosquitoes, so sometimes I slow up on the fragrance a little bit. But I could wear this in the summer too. Absolutely, I could see it, especially if I'm going to like a fancy event or an evening event where I really want to have that polish and something to just bring my final look together. I would absolutely wear this perfume. Alright, so thank you so much for coming to my channel. I truly appreciate it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be